Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you to all my subscribers and anyone who watches and likes my video and shares as well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel and you like to learn the guitar and you like my content, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to share to your friends as well who are interested in learning the guitar. So in today's video, I want to focus on the picking pattern for the Give Me Oil bar chords. This is a follow-up on a comment from one of my subscribers. So I want to learn the picking pattern that I used. So I didn't really have any special picking pattern in my head, but I'll take my time and take you through. So let's recall our chords. So we use the 6, the 2, the 3, then back to 6. So 6, then the 3, 6, 6, 2, 3, 2. So that's the intro part. Then when it goes to the Give Me Oil in My Lamp, so give me oil in my lamp. Then you go to F, the F shape, the 4. Keep me burning. 2, then 3. To the coming of the King. So if you don't know these progressions, kindly consider watching the previous tutorial. I'm not going to show any chords here. Or you can use a couple to place on this part, and so in this case you are playing A minor, D minor, E minor, and A minor. That's fine, and you can play F. You can dodge from the bar chord F. Alright, so let's look at the picking pattern that I used. So you know the progression already. I'm not going to I may have to switch to this side, so let's see. So sometimes I lift this middle finger and I end up having a blend, so I get so I'm picking 4, 3. I'm picking 4, 3, 2, but for the 2, I plugged each of them once, but you end up hearing 4 different sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is coming from the hammering. So let's go. So I'm just picking randomly. So 4, 3, 2. Then I'll continue again. 4, 3, 2. Then now there are times that I'll add the first string. So the second time you're not going to lift your middle finger. So 1, 2, 3. So at that point you're going to transition to the D minor, the number 2, sorry. So if you want to be able to get this picking pattern, first master how you can play these. The first 3 strings that we play from the 4 to the 2. can continue with. You realize that in the middle I plugged this part. I added the first string. 1 2 4 4 3 2 4. I don't think I can mention the numbers. So let's stick to the first 3, the 4 to the 2. I'll give you one trick. I'll advise that you start with the third. So the 3 4 3 1 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 4 3 2 4 3 2. So I believe you know where your fingers are supposed to be. The index is for the 3, the thumb for the upper strings above the 3, and the middle for the 2, the second string, the ring finger for the first string. So you realize that the 3, I start with the number 2. 3 2 4 3 I don't think I'm able to recall everything I do, so it just come naturally. Just keep on practicing this picking. Then in the future you can add the other ones, whereby maybe when you go to the 2, instead of starting with the 3, you can start with the 2. Then when you get to the third chord, the 3, so you start with the 2. Then you can add the first string. So you see, I'm picking 4 3 2 1. Keep me burning, keep me. So it's simple for this part. May my light never be dim. Keep me burning, keep me 2 and 3. Yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for watching this far, and keep practicing. and see you next time. And leave in the comment section if you have anything that you want me to work on. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Love you. Bye.